How to make money with Perplexity. Are you looking to turn your skills into cash right from your laptop? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Perplexity, a powerful tool that can supercharge your income. Stay tuned because these tips could change your financial game. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of Perplexity and how you can use it to boost your earnings. In the realm of natural language processing and information theory, Perplexity is a key metric used to evaluate the performance of probabilistic models, especially language models. It quantifies how well a model predicts a sequence of words, effectively measuring the model's uncertainty or confidence in its predictions. First things, what exactly is Perplexity? It's a fantastic tool for enhancing productivity and creativity. Today, we'll explore how you can leverage it to make money. So all you have to do right now is open your browser and dive into perplexity.ai. As you can see, this is the home page. Here we have home, discover, library, sign in. If you sign up, all you have to do is continue with Google or continue with Apple. Also some SSO. Then we have your email. You can just click over here and you write your email. You will get a message on your email and you will confirm the message. Then you sign up. So also we have here Try Pro upgrade for image upload, smarter EA and more pro search. Then we have a learn more, knowledge. Here we have where knowledge begins. You can ask anything here as you can see. So let's try about something like who is the best player in the world. So here is the answer. We have here sources. We have 5 sources as you can see. Then we have answer. Also we have here related and a lot of information that could help you. You can just click over the one you want and get your answer. Also we have here pictures. As you can see, we have here Mbappe, Messi, and a lot of people, a lot of players, as you can see. Then we have also videos and generate image. Also, you can click over here or click over here if you want to have videos. So that's it for how to use Perplexity. Then we have also here focus attach pro, how we have our most powerful search engine for longer answers to complex questions. So if you want to learn more, all you have to do is click over here. Then you have here pro. You can click over here to know other information about Perplexity. And we have Perplexity Pro is the most powerful way to search the internet with unlimited pro search, upgrade the AA models, unlimited file upload, image generation, and APA credit. We have two. We have standard and professional. Standard is start for free, no credit card needed. Free, continue with free, unlimited quick sources, 5 pro sources per day. Standard Perplexity AI model, optimized for speed and quality. We have also create a profile to personalize your answers. About professional, we have here pay $20 for each month, and as you can see, we have here details and more information. Then we have your enterprise. As you can see, help your team get further, faster, boost your team's efficiency with the most powerful AA resource assistant. Then we have playground. As you can see, playground here you can just start conversation with Perplexity Labs. As you can see here, we have hello. How can I help you? You can just write all your question you want or your problem and how Perplexity could help you. Then we have here blog. As you can see, we have a pro source upgrade for more advanced problem solving research shapes our daily lives. We use it to make informed decisions and solve problems, to innovate, learn, and grow. So here we have Perplexity collaborates with Amazon Web Service, bringing Perplexity to education and not for profit. Then we have introducing Perplexity pages. Perplexity launches Enterprise Pro. Perplexity Pro is coming to all. Perplexity partners with 11 and a lot of things as you can see here. If you come back, here we have block colors fig. So let's click over here. We have here frequently asked questions. What is Perplexity? How does Perplexity work? What is Perplexity Pro? What is Pro Search? What is Perplexity Pages? What should I use Perplexity for? What is Enterprise Pro? And a lot of information as you can see here. If you want answer, all I have to do is click over here. As you can see, this is the answer about the definition of Perplexity and other action questions if you want. Then we have here cars also. Cars or Perplexity, we have our missions, our values, ownership, velocity, utility, and we have also current opening and a lot of information. You can just click over the one you want or the one you need. Here we have to answer. So we have your blog, we have encyclopedia also. As you can see, here we have welcome to Perplexity Encyclopedia, introducing a new era of knowledge, collection, and creation. There is always more to learn. Get started today. So we have here a lot of niches, captions, audiogram, vid.ea, EO, and video, hygiene, and face it, other, and a lot of niches as you can see. Then we have cars, but cars with cars. Here we have our mission and our values and current open. And here we have English, you can say the language you want, and we have here French, Standard, German, Japanese, and other language, you can say the one you want. So right now, let's know some ways to start earning with Perplexity. Here we have freelance services at first. One of the easiest ways to start earning with Perplexity is by offering freelance services. Here is how you can do it. Identify your niche, then create a profile, then showcase your work. As you can see, we have other methods like creating and selling digital, like develop your product, use Perplexity to create ebooks, templates, or online courses, then set an online store. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad are great. Then market your products, use social media and email marketing to reach your audience. The third one we have affiliate marketing. Join an affiliate program first. Sign up for Perplexity affiliate program if they have one, or promote related products. Then create followable content, write blog posts, create video, or use social media to share your affiliate links. Then drive traffic, use SEO, social media marketing, and email campaigns. The fourth one we have online courses. Create an online courses and then offer consulting services. So and there you have it. It's four powerful ways to make money with Perplexity. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.